Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Party Pop Teenies Surprise Popper by Spin Master. We found these at Walmart for $4.95. It says Series 1 on the top, and on the back, there is a picture of 3 cute little dolls, and it says that each one contains 1 doll, 3 accessories, confetti, and a poster. And they all come in a very colorful cylinder. I am excited to see how this works. There's a little perforated line over here on the side, so let's go ahead and pull that so we can take the plastic off. There we go. We pulled off the little edge there, removed the outer layer of paper, and now there is a lot more stuff around the popper. We see the 3 girls in the front, and it says Party Pop Teenies. Then at the bottom it says, which party will you pop? And there are different ones at the bottom. Cutie Animal Surprise, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, Winter Wonderland Surprise. Then there is a little tab that says Pool Tire. On the back, it says Surprises Inside, and then you can see some little pictures of the accessories. And that, I believe, is French. Then there are some simple picture instructions. 1 says pool, 2 says twist, 3 says pop. And I believe the instructions are repeated in French underneath. This is so exciting! Step 1, pull. Oops, there we go. Step 2, turn. Okay, this time let's make sure we carefully remove all of the paper. Maybe that's messing my little surprise up there. And it says to turn that way, so let's turn it that way. Bottom just came off there. Oh, yes! We did it! And we have our little doll. We have heart-shaped confetti in a lot of different colors. There is some ribbon, stickers. In the bottom of the popper, there is a little surprise accessory here. And it is a little purse. That's cute. And a little brush. And I think that is a unicorn horn to go with the doll. Let's remove the doll from the popper. She is a stationary minifigure, and you can just place her accessories next to her. And the unicorn horn fits on top of the head. There is a collector's guide inside that says, join the party online, partypopteenies.com. On the other side, you can see all of the mini dolls in the series and the different collections. In the Cutie Animal Surprise, they all have an animal theme. Then in Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, they are all very colorful. And at the bottom, you can see Winter Wonderland Surprise. That collection has a mystery figure. Our girl belongs to the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, and her name is Mai. Oh, Mai's up there too. And she's down here. So the same characters are in all of the different collections, they just have on different outfits. I see 8 different characters: Ava, Hayden, Sophie, Riley, Bella, Mai, Lily, and Violet. And the surprise mystery figure's name is Cassidy. We have 6 more Party Pop Teenies, so let's see who we got. Step 1, remove all of the plastic. Step 2, remove all of the paper from the bottom. Step 3, twist. Yay! The confetti for this one is different. We have little animal shapes. They have a bear head. This looks like a bunny and a cat. My stickers are animals and party hats. And we have Mai again from the Cutie Animal Surprise collection. With the accessories, an owl hat and an owl purse. So some of the dolls have 3 accessories and some have 2. It even says it on the back of the popper how many accessories are included. This time I am going to do a flawless execution of the popper. Remove the plastic, pull off the bottom paper, and twist. Bella from Winter Wonderland Surprise has stars and hearts confetti. And I made a mistake. These are not stickers. They are a part of the confetti. So if you want them to stick to something, you're gonna have to add some glue. And her accessories are... Ooh, we get 2 this time. A snowflake headband and a little ice cream. This is so cute. Now that is perfect for a party. I wonder who else is on the guest list. It is Winter Wonderland Surprise Bella again! We have a double! No! But on the plus side, we have double the ice cream, which is my favorite accessory so far. 3 to go. 1, 2, 3! Seriously? Another double? The unfortunate reality of mystery surprises. But we still have 2 to go, so I am very hopeful for a new character. I could see these being a lot of fun at birthday parties. I would just advise that you remove all of the plastic first, because that could slow down the surprise part. And the confetti popping out is kind of fun. Triples? Really? I just got 3 of the same character? We are down to our very last one. Please be a new character. Please be a new character. Oh, if I bring this back around. Yes, we have a new character. This is Riley from Rainbow Unicorn Surprise. And her accessories are... It's a little baking tray of unicorn cookies and heart cookies. That is cute. And the other thing is a little hairpiece. Her confetti cutouts are the same, and she matches nicely with the other girls at the party. These are cute to collect. Their little faces are adorable. They have really cute little outfits and fun accessories. They stand a little over 2 inches tall. I can mix and match some of their accessories. But I wish we had some way to reuse the popper now that the party is over. Maybe we can do something with the bottom. Carefully remove the sticker, and it can become a table for the Party Pop Teenies. Or you can use them for a display. Speaking of displays, let's make a little display for our Party Pop Teenies by using a recycled cereal box. First, I cut and remove one side. To open the box, draw a line across the center and a triangle at the top. Cut out the top to make a house shape. Take the other side of the box and cut it in half. Place one half on the bottom of the cereal box to extend the floor. Fold the other side in half for a second floor. Cover it with paper. I am using strips of paper to resemble the packaging. Glue in the floors. Add a little trim to cover the edges, and the Party Pop Teenies logo from the packaging. Add some confetti to make a quick display for the Party Pop Teenies. It's like a cute little party house. And you can use some of the confetti cutouts for a little decoration. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.